Good morning, everybody. We are in this project in Brea. We're getting really fast in the stages. We did remove the wood, we put the scaffold, we did sandblasting, we did black paper, lot ready for inspection. Tomorrow we'll pick up the trash. Tomorrow we're gonna reinstall the new door. So basically this is what we are doing. There was wood panels that been taken away. We sandblast the existing stucco to match the old stucco. This front door will get changed. As we know, previously we did patching to this pavers right here. There is some work in the back. I will go back and continue with this additional video in a second.